Hello and welcome to my AI Diffusion product review. My name is Juliana and today I am talking about AI Diffusion review. AI Diffusion. The big daddy of AI is finally here. World's first MidJourney, Canva and Dall.E killer app. Turns your voice commands or keywords into stunning. 2 clicks equals create and sell limitless contents, designs, graphics, arts, videos, or anything you want to built-in audience and profit $232.32 per day. No designing skills needed, no technical knowledge required, no BS. Turn your voice commands into stunning AI materials. Generate 4K Ultra HD AI videos and images in any niche. Upload and turn any video into AI cartoons like video. Create and sell unlimited AI cartoon images and graphics. Convert normal images into AI sketch images, and etc. Grab AI Diffusion now and save $180 today, only one time $17 instead $97 monthly. Hurry! The prices rises in. If you buy from description link which is given in the description, then you get $2,000 bonus, so buy from description link and get tips how to make $1,000 in a day from home. Link in description. AI Diffusion is changing the social media game. Over 4,500 plus smart marketers and business owners are harnessing the power of this revolutionary AI to create and sell high-in-demand AI images, videos, arts, graphics and so much more. Here some customers' review are there. I can't believe the power of this app. With just a few voice commands, I was able to turn my ideas into stunning HD images and videos. The AI technology is truly impressive and has saved me so much time and effort. Robert J. If you're looking for a powerful tool that can help you create stunning visuals and graphics in no time, look no further than this app. The AI technology is mind-blowing, and the results are nothing short of incredible. Joy R. 4K HD AI images, Ultra HD AI videos, AI cartoon videos, AI diffusion videos, AI animated videos, AI drawings and art, AI sketch images, AI logos and graphics, images to 3D videos, and so much more. In less than 2 minutes. Link is given in description. Buy from there and get $2,000 bonus. Unleash the full potential of AI Diffusion. Here's a sneak peek to the possibilities with this ultimate MidJourney, Dall.E and Canva killer app. 1. Craft stunning 4K HD AI images in real time. Now, create stunning 4K HD AI images in real time about anything and in any niche. Say goodbye to the hassle of creating AI images from multiple AI platforms, which sucks monthly high fees. 2. Create Ultra HD AI videos in any niche just with your voice commands. Harnesses the power of AI to create Ultra HD AI highly engaging trending viral AI videos in any niche. Increase your business growth and revenue using such kind of stunning AI videos. 3. Upload and turn any video into AI cartoons like video. Now, create stunning 4K HD AI images in real time about anything and in any niche. Say goodbye to the hassle of creating AI images from multiple AI platforms, which sucks monthly high fees. 4. Generate AI diffusion videos and sell them instantly. Harnesses the power of AI to create Ultra HD AI highly engaging trending viral AI videos in any niche. Increase your business growth and revenue using such kind of stunning AI videos. 5. Craft AI cartoon images and graphics. Now, create stunning 4K HD AI images in real time about anything and in any niche. Say goodbye to the hassle of creating AI images from multiple AI platforms, which sucks monthly high fees. 6. Convert normal sketch images into AI real images. harnesses the power of AI to create Ultra HDI highly engaging trending viral AI videos in any niche. Increase your business growth and revenue using such kind of stunning AI videos. And many more feature. Buy from description link and get flat 50% off now. Discover the incredible results we're unleashing with Diffusion. Just by publishing these stunning AI art, images, videos, or any other marketing materials to our built-in audience and banks $240.40 per day. But wait, let me ask you honest question. Are you really satisfied with your earnings online? And jealous of seeing your friends succeed? Look, time has surely flown by this year. But with all the time that's gone by, are you happy with the money you're making online? Or is 2023 starting to look like another wasted year? No different from the last. Do you feel that way? If you're frustrated with yourself, feeling humiliated, and many more, that's simply because you're not exploiting the power of this revolutionary AIs like MidJourney, Dall.E, Canva, etc. in your businesses and marketing, and end up losing money on the table. Look, the artificial intelligence is all over the internet. It has taken the world by storm and marketers around the globe are now totally dependent on AI for their business growth. Wondering why? Well, that's simply because AI produces high-quality content like AI images, graphics, videos and so much more just with a single keyword. And it is billions times more intelligent and faster than humans. And the best part? It lets you skip all the hassles of creating and designing AI graphics, images and videos while saving you time. In other words, AI is the new game changer in the online industry. And I'm sure that you don't have this life-changing tool in your marketing arsenal. But here's the problems with AI. It comes at a premium price. Top AI companies out there, like MidJourney, Dall.E, ChatGPT, and Canva are super expensive. And despite paying huge monthly fees, you're still dealing with major headaches. You're not getting the full value of your payment. You're getting low-quality AI images, graphics, AI videos and marketing materials. Paying freelancer through the nose for it, and always getting the late delivery. And that's not the finish line. That comes along with AI images, graphics and video creation, blocking your path and hampering your business, sales and growth. Creating AI graphics and images is challenging. It's not easy to design stunning AI images, graphics either. You will end up paying a hefty amount of money to expensive designers or paying monthly fees to AI tools. Crafting engaging AI video in any niche is frustrating. Creating AI videos in any niche can be frustrating and is the common pain point of every video marketer. And you're limited to only a certain types of videos that you can create. Spending hours researching and gathering information. Researching and gathering information in what niche to create and sell AI contents is oftentimes challenging. Turning videos into animation, cartoons, etc. is not easy. With Diffusion you can easily turn any normal video, and many more. So, with all these challenges and difficulties, there is no doubt why most of the marketers and business owners give up while burning their pockets in the process. But what if there was a better way? A revolutionary MidJourney, Dall.E, and Canva killer app that redefines the boundaries of AI content creation and skyrockets your traffic and sales like never before. AI is shaking up the internet like a seismic shockwave. It's 10 times faster now. Now, just with your voice commands, create and publish limitless AI images, graphics, videos, etc. and sell them our built-in audience. While banking $240.40 per day. Look, the artificial intelligence is all over the internet. It has taken the world by storm and marketers around the globe are now totally dependent on AI for their business growth. Wondering why? Well, that's simply because AI produces high-quality content like AI images, graphics, videos and so much more just with a single keyword, and many more. And to your surprise, AI industry is at its peak. Seeing the massive profit potential and limitless possibilities of artificial intelligence, we created a MidJourney, Dall.E, and Canva killer app that turns your voice commands or keywords into stunning 4K HDI images, Ultra HDI videos, AI cartoon videos, AI diffusion videos, AI animated videos, AI drawings and art, AI sketch images, AI logos and graphics, images to 3D videos, and so much more. And now it's your turn to say goodbye to expensive, outdated content, graphics creation tools and services and switch to this next-gen futuristic AI-driven technology. Harnesses the power of ChatGPT-4 to create and post highly engaging trending viral content. Auto-post or schedule high-converting social media posts across all your accounts at once. Fully automate your social media accounts such as Flat, Instagram, TikTok and put them on complete autopilot. Best part? We've done the hard work for you. You're getting a DFY social media business in a box. Introducing AI Diffusion, the world's first MidJourney, Dall.E and Canva killer app that turns your voice commands or keywords into stunning 4K HDI images, Ultra HDI videos, AI cartoon videos, AI diffusion videos, AI animated videos, AI drawings and art, AI sketch images, AI logos and graphics, images to 3D videos, and so much more. In less than 2 minutes. Turn your voice commands into stunning AI materials. Generate 4K Ultra HDI videos and images in any niche. Upload and turn any video into AI cartoons like video. And more. Remove backgrounds from images and video instantly. Convert any image into GTA 5-like artworks. AI Diffusion comes with Siri-like voice command technology. Fire all your expensive tools and services. And many more features. Today, grab AI Diffusion and save $180 today, only one time $17 instead of $97 monthly. Link in description. Buy from there and get flat 50% right now, so don't wait. Buy from description and get flat 50% off and specially $2,000 bonus right now. And we will talk about demo. Check the demo from description link.